Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the Purple Pleaser vibrator by the Teazers collection. So let's get started. So this is the Purple Pleaser itself. And you can really go for hands-free pleasure with this vibrator. This compact sex toy stimulates the clitoris, G-spot and anus simultaneously. The flat base makes it possible to wear under your clothes without anyone seeing. And the Purple Pleaser can also be operated with the wireless remote control as well. So your partner can also operate this as well. It's made of a soft silicone, so it's very soft and smooth to the touch, and it's also slightly flexible as well. So to turn on, press and hold down on the bottom of the button here, and press once more, and it's on. So this has 9 vibration settings to choose from. To change the settings, simply tap and choose your desired setting. To use the remote control, simply press and hold on the on-off button, and there is a little blue light. Press once more and then click on the vibration, and you can choose the settings for your partner or yourself. To turn off, simply press and hold down on the on-off button, and the toy and the remote both switch off. It's really simple and easy to recharge using the USB charging cable provided. Simply pop it in like so, and it will charge quickly and easily for you. When using the Purple Pleaser, we recommend for you to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use, and make sure to clean the toy after every use using toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth. And that is the Purple Pleaser vibrator by the Teazers collection. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.